The Porsche Taycan key fob requires a specific method to open, different from simply prying it apart. Locate the small indent or hidden button on the edge of the key fob. Press this button firmly. While pressing the button, slide or twist the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools to prevent damage. A plastic pry tool or guitar pick can be used to gently separate the halves if needed. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity with the positive side up. Align the key fob's two halves precisely before reassembling. Improper alignment is a common cause of post-replacement failure. If the remote isn't working after battery replacement, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the fob is correctly aligned. Cold weather can affect battery performance. Consider using a high-quality CR2032 battery like Energizer for improved reliability. If issues persist, consult the Porsche Owner's Manual or app for model-specific instructions.